In this video, we'll explain what Salesforce CRM is and how it works in 2026. Salesforce CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform that helps businesses manage their customers, sales, marketing, and support activities all in one place. Instead of storing customer information in spreadsheets, Salesforce keeps everything organized and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Here's how it works. Businesses can store customer and lead information, track sales opportunities, manage contacts, create tasks, automate repetitive workflows, and monitor performance through reports and dashboards. This allows sales and support teams to stay organized and collaborate more effectively. As a lead moves through the sales process, Salesforce records every interaction, making it easy to see the customer's history, upcoming tasks, and the current status of every deal. It also offers automation features that can send reminders, assign tasks, and streamline business processes, helping teams save time and improve productivity. Salesforce is highly customizable, so businesses can create custom objects, fields, reports, and workflows to match their unique requirements. It also integrates with thousands of third-party applications, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Salesforce CRM helps you build stronger customer relationships, close more deals, and make better business decisions using real-time data. And that's what Salesforce CRM is and how it works.